Hi, welcome to my channel. Well, today we're going to do something a little bit different. It's almost Shrove Tuesday in the UK, and that means pancakes, English pancakes. So not only do I like photography, but I also like flying. That's a story for another day. But today I'm going to show you how to make English pancakes, a really simple, easy recipe that wins every time. The ingredients for English pancakes are really simple, and I've written the recipe down below and also some instructions as well. They're in metric and imperial for our European colleagues or our American colleagues. So first of all, the flour. Plain flour, 110 grams of plain flour. If you're using gluten-free flour, I suggest about 130, 140 grams. Milk, I use 300 millilitres and I use semi-skim milk, but if you want full fat, non-semi-skim milk, that's also okay. And also 2 medium-sized chicken's eggs. Now, once the pancakes are cooked, to top the pancakes, classic English is lemon juice and sugar. Fantastic flavour. But you can put on these pancakes what you like: peanut butter, chocolate spread, maple syrup, or even honey, whatever takes your fancy. And of course, you just need a little bit of butter to cook the pancakes in the frying pan. First up, measure the flour. And measure out the milk. Now the mixing part. First of all, with the eggs in there, you just gently roll it around to make a sort of a paste with the flour and the eggs. Nice and gently till it forms a paste. And this also takes out a lot of the lumps as well. What you then do is you add a very small amount of milk, like that, and then whisk a bit more until you make a paste and it all starts to bind together. And this takes out all the lumps in the flour. So, where does Shrove Tuesday come from? Well, shrove is from the word shrive, and this is an old English word meaning to obtain absolution for your sins at confession and doing penance. Shrove Tuesday was conceived by the custom of Christians to be shriven before the start of Lent on Ash Wednesday. Therefore, the day before Ash Wednesday, which of course is Shrove Tuesday, was the last day to use up all of the eggs and fats before feasting through Lent, and the pancakes were a perfect recipe to use up these ingredients. So now we've got something that's quite thick. We'll just add about another half of the milk. Give it a beat up. And the rest of the milk. And there you have the mixture. It's very thin. It's about the consistency of single cream. And the best thing to do is leave this for at least half an hour now to let the flour soak up the liquids. Having let the batter mix stand for about 30 minutes, now it's time to make the pancakes. You get your pan nice and hot. This happens to be a 23 centimetre frying pan, but take your pick, any size you like. A knob of butter in the pan, sprinkle it around, and a little bit of pancake batter. So we're looking for it to spread out to about 3/4 of the width. What we then do with all the liquid, we let the liquid go round like that, and you get a nice covering of the base. That needs to stand for about a minute while the bottom goes brown. It starts to bubble, and you'll know when it's ready to flip, because if you do that, the pancake moves in the pan. You can just see it there. So here's the flip. Nice and brown on the top. We'll leave it there for about another 30 seconds to a minute before you take the most gorgeous pancake off the stove. There we have a perfect pancake. And there we have it. One gorgeous English pancake with lemon juice, the classic way. Absolutely wonderful. Well, if you enjoyed that, click the like, subscribe and the bell. Thank you very much for watching. It's been a pleasure to teach you my family secret. Thank you and goodbye.